This channel is kindly sponsored by KA.Models.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie folks, and this is from Minnie, aka sibling of Natasha, the bird lady. So let's have a looky-loo at what we got. In the meantime, big hugs, big thanks, and big kisses to Natasha and Minnie for thinking of dear old Festa. So let's open this up and see what we got, folks. So we got a little message here. It says, a gift from Natasha's birdie. Love from Minnie and from Natasha's birdie. There you go, folks. Look at that. Oh, big hugs to Minnie. And we have got Orcs and Green models from AK. And this is set number AK11600. This is 3rd gen acrylics. Got a list of all the colours: dark green, grey, dark green, deep green, light green, olive green and golden olive. And this is what they can be used for, folks. We can use them for real dark and deep orc skins with all the different tones there. We can go for ghouly creatures with all kinds of dry brushing and deep greens in the skin folds and all of that. So these would probably be good for the great unclean one. And you've also got the uses there where you can do various shades of olive drab on military uniform. It says here, this set contains 6 acrylic paints essential for applying green finishes to any figure or accessory. These paints can be easily mixed with each other, allowing for hassle-free creation of smooth transitions between lights and shadows. They can be applied by brush, taking advantage of the 3rd generation high coverage and adhesion. When diluted with dedicated thinner, they can be airbrushed as easily as lacquer-based paints, and they have a matte finish, folks. Let's open it up and have a little looky-loo at the set. He's got quite a scary look about him, isn't he? With his big old skull crossbone thing going on there. So let's pop that in there. And the beauty of these is they send this in this little holder, but also it's got moulded in their tiny little mixing pots. I love that idea. This is the bottles, folks. AK 111 there says dark green grey, 3rd gen acrylics, and I like the lid on this. Nice and easy to open, and it's the dropper bottles there, so you would drop it in your little mixing bowl. So that's your dark green, grey even. What I tend to do is I tend to use a bit of this and I paint the caps so I can see the colour as well, how it looks on different primers. So yeah, so what I do is I do one leg with like a grey primer, one with a white primer, one with a black primer and one with like a pink primer, and then I'll just paint it just so I can have a look to see which one looks the best. And then obviously these top edges I leave exposed as to what colour primer I've used. Just the way I do it. There's your dark green there. There's your deep green. Look at that. Beautiful colour. There's your light green. Honestly, a beautiful looking paint. There's your olive green. And there is golden olive. There you go. Happy days, look at that. So that is those colours all lined up. A beautiful looking set. I'll just put them back in the box. Apologies for the children next door, but it is school holidays and mum's got the kids out next door, letting them have a play on the green. So apologies if you can hear them, folks, but live and let live. They've got to play, bless them. So that's the auction green models set there, AK 11600 Virgin acrylics from Natasha and Minnie. So massive, massive thanks to both of you for that. It really will be put to good use. I've got loads of auks to do, but also I've got military uniforms and things like that. So it really will be put to good use. So huge thank yous to Natasha. Don't forget to share the love when you see her in the Friday Frolic chat and all of that. Look, make a fuss of her, because again, she's fought a dear old Festa. In the meantime, don't forget, like, share and hype the video on the channel. It really does help the channel grow, keeps it alive, folks. Until then, stay safe and well. I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now. Cadets.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,